nod means collaboration.
Is inspiration.
The recognition of the diaspora.
It's like a special code we have.
Being able to recognize others.
Seeing your people and knowing that you people have something in common.
It's a new beginning. It's an opportunity for us to make sure that we are keeping money within our community, and it's what we've needed.
So it's just one of those things where I know I can go out and I'm honoring your blackness and you're honoring my blackness. It doesn't matter where we come from. We see each other, we hear each other, and we understand that we are part of a community.
Even though you don't know someone, you give them a nod, they know what you mean. It's like, hi, welcome.
Being married to somebody who is black from Guyana, I constantly see him nodding at people he doesn't know in the street, at the supermarket, when we're on vacation, and he doesn't know them, but he still nods at them. It's like this unspoken connection that they have in the community, and that's what the nod means to me. It's like they know each other even though they don't know each other.
When I'm out and about, be it in Edmonton, Alberta, or Toronto, Ontario, or even if I'm abroad and I end up seeing somebody else that I want to make sure they see me and I see them, we give each other the nod.
It's gonna start small and it's just going to swell into what we exactly need it to be.
So what happened when I came to this space is I had to learn to identify myself all over. And part of that identification was seeing another person of color on the street. You tend to just give them a greeting and say welcome because we're in the same space and we're likely having the same experiences.
I love that the focus is on wealth building, on organizing us as a people where we are a minority, but a minority doesn't mean that you don't matter.
When we nod, we recognize that each other, and we recognize that we're all making a contribution to building this country, and we deserve all the recognition we can get for that. So here's a nod to the nod, and I want to offer my contributions to however it can work to make it happen, to make us recognize that this is a pillar for all of us to share and to support.